Hi, it's Yash, and I want to talk about my battery's dying actually, and I want to get this video out before it dies. Semen retention when you're in a relationship. What's the benefits of that? How does that look? It looks real good. That's how it looks. And the main reason is you're not a vagina hound anymore. You're not looking for the vagina. Where's the vagina? I need the vagina. You see what I mean? You're not needy. You know, and what a nice, empowering, enjoyable state to be in. You know, now some girls won't like that. You see, they'll feel insecure. You know, whoa, I can't control them now with sex. You know, now the higher girls, which I talked about in another video, those are the girls you're gonna meet when you get higher. Those girls, they appreciate it. I've attracted a really nice woman in my life, and when I asked her why she was attracted to me, she basically said that. That was the reason. She could sense and feel that I didn't have any attachment or inordinate need or compelling desire to go after her body. And she's a really nice looking woman, and she's used to that, like a lot of good looking women are, because the average guy is just totally controlled by his sexual instinct, and so he just can't help it. He's just, you know, and women can smell that a mile away. They can just smell it. A guy thinks he's being cool. You know, oh, you know, he's acting like he's paying attention to her, but really she can sense underneath he wants to get her in bed. You know, and so they can, they're very sensitive. It's like God gave them that gift so that they don't get, they don't get in more trouble than they already get into, because they still get in trouble. Because a lot of them are also insecure, and even though they know it's superficial, the guy pursuing them like that, at least they're getting some hits of validation and attention. So yeah, everybody's got to work through this. So when you're not needy, when you're like not attached to sex or anything else, or her calling you or giving you attention, you're in a very man, that's such a nice place to be in, you know. And then, like, if she talks to somebody else or another guy, and if she's laughing together, you can appreciate it. Oh, she's enjoying herself. Great. You don't want to just hold her captive as your own little personal hostage, and get jealous and envious because, you know, if she's enjoying with another man. I love to see that, actually. I enjoy it. I don't know why. I just enjoy it. You know, and there's no insecurity there. It's, oh, maybe she likes him. Oh no, what about me? No, actually, if she does like him, go ahead. You know what I mean? Go ahead. You got to listen to your heart. Like, I don't want someone wanting to be around me unless they really feel in their heart they want to be around me. Otherwise, go be around those who you honestly feel drawn to. You know, that's where I'm at. So when you're not needy and you're not attached, it's just what you get directly from semen retention and living a healthy lifestyle. It just benefits the relationship on so many levels. Not only the relationship between you and her, but just even when you go out, when you're around others, you're radiating a certain aura and positive energetic field that's benefiting anybody that comes into it. You're not trying to do that, but this is what happens. It's just an observation of what happens, you know. You enjoy the woman for being a woman, you see. A man that's not needy and not attached to sex and all that, you're enjoying the woman for the female feminine energy that she's expressing and embodying. This is unconditional love. This is what this is. When there's no agenda, when you don't have you're not pursuing her for superficial means to get some inordinate need in you met, when you're just enjoying this expression that the universe created. And you enjoy it a lot because if you're a man, you're half of the whole. So then when you get the female counterpart, it's great. And you can enjoy, you don't need to be in some exclusive relationship. You don't need to label it as marriage or romance or anything. You just meet whoever on the street, you have a conversation, whatever, even just enjoy a look, a glance. You get some energy when it's authentic. I'm not talking about lust. It's like something, I've said it before, something deep in her recognizes something deep in me, or vice versa, and then we share that exchange. It's great. Don't need to have sex in order to enjoy the play of masculine and feminine energy. What else? Let me see. You don't get so caught up by, emotions, because when you're in a relationship, especially an intimate relationship, this is the purpose of intimate relationships, by the way, to bring up things that normally no other situation would bring up. Like meditation won't even bring up. You need to be in this, if you love somebody and they love you, then you're going to automatically, there's going to be some expectations a little bit, and there might be you're going to be more sensitive to like how this person perceives you, and as opposed to just somebody walking down the street that you don't really know. So that's the beauty and the main purpose of these relationships. It digs under the fingernail and gets out just anything toxic or egoic that's hiding in there. The relationship will bring that out. This is great. So when you're preserving your semen, when you're in a solid, balanced state, inner state, you don't get overwhelmed by that. You don't want to pick up a hatchet and kill her for, bringing up stuff that's already in you. If you're really good, you might even say thank you sometimes. You're like, holy shit, you just activated some whatever shame or fear or insecurity in me that I didn't know was there. Cool. Do it again. You can play like that. Your play becomes much higher level, you see? Not beating each other up for making each other uncomfortable. It's a different level. But this is the destiny for those who really, really want to experience their highest self, and then you experience your true self, and then you can attract someone else who's on a similar level, and then you guys experience your both of your true selves together, and it's really nice. So don't think semen retention is gonna hurt your relationship. It's gonna improve it on levels that you can't even imagine. But for those who are ready for this, I had to have, most of us have to have a sufficient level of sex. I didn't have to have that much to get this point, but enough to where you're like, okay, I'm not, okay, I don't need to keep chasing that. And then you can start to look at going beyond that. So it's an evolutionary thing. We can't totally buck this evolutionary process and law. And I know that, but I'm trying to reach out to those who really resonate with this message here, because this is what I feel compelled to share, and I have joy sharing it. And as long as a couple people enjoy it, I'll keep sharing it. And so I think by now there's more than a couple people, and so we're good. All right, good. We made it. My battery didn't die. I'm going to talk to you soon.